Good evening, good afternoon. It's time for the daily review of Nasdaq 100, here traded as US Tech 100 on Trade Nation. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2026. So let's have a look what happened today. I marked here, as usual, high of yesterday. Open of the day is the blue line, low of yesterday, the dark, the black line, then close of yesterday, red. And down here, the yellow line is open of week, as we can see, a very important area today. So we opened and we tried to reach high of yesterday. Didn't quite manage to do so. We had we saw that actually bar number 2 went below bar number 1, but then we got a strong bar number 3. We got a sell bar number 4, and then we got a second leg up bar number 5, but we didn't find any buyers above, so we didn't make it up to high yesterday. And after bar 6, bar 6 was a pretty good sales signal. We got a leg down, we reached the low, we reached open of the day, got a retracement with bar 13. It was a weak bar, not good for the bulls. So next bar 14 continued further down, and we got a second leg down. I also marked a channel because first part of the day we got we channeled down. It was pretty steep, and we can see here bar 20 a nice reversal, but when it reached the top of the trading range, it reversed. Also, I don't show it here, but I can actually just measure if we have the top here. Let me see if it allows me. So what we can see here, I don't know how clear it is, but actually this bar 19 was it was a pretty clear measured move down from this breakout point, bar number 10. So when we got bar 15, we broke strongly below this, and it became an important breakout point. We reached exactly, we got a measured move down here with bar 19, found buyers, and we moved up 2 bars. But against this strong trend, 1, 2, 3, pretty steep move down. When we got this reversal, market continued down. Actually, bar 22 is a good sell bar. It's not easy to take after 2 nice looking bull bars. I was looking for a second entry long. We got an attempt here with bar 25, but no follow through, no bulls above, and we got a second leg down. Then we have an extended period here with sideways trading. We can see that close of yesterday became an important target for bulls, but bears didn't allow them. We have been up here several times. We got bar number 41. It looked good. It traded at the top of a range, but no buyers above. I would like to point out bar number 28, an important bar, I think. If we look at it, many bars are inside to this bar. A whole range of bars are inside bars. We also got 33, an important bar. There, it also has several inside bars. If we look at bar 38, it ends up as a reversal bar. We can see 39, we get a reversal. We move a little bit further down here, and then bulls go back with 41. And you could think, well, great, now we are going higher, but this was simply too weak. So bulls, it was more a get out bar. They were long here. They were surprised by 39. They bought more lower and they got out on 41. Instead, bears came in strongly with 42. But with all of this sideways trading, it was just too difficult. They got to the low of the range, but we are still in a range. They didn't find any buyers, and instead we got a new leg up. But since this bar was so strong, it needed to have a second leg. It got its second leg, and now suddenly we have a wedge, 3 pushes down, and we find buyers, and we had a period about an hour with a small bull trend moving us back to the top of the range. Again, no buyers. And we got bar 66. It's not an easy buy to sell. I mean, you can sell tops in a trading range. You don't know when it ends, and you will get a breakout. We didn't get it. It was a good top to sell. Good sell 65. So we moved down again exactly back to the lows. So we retested 53, aiming at 300. And we got a small leg up into the close. So is it a great day for the bears? Not really. I mean, bulls have attempted to, or they have managed to cling on to close of yesterday. It is still a win for the bears, I would say. The bears were in control, but let's see what happens next week. If we look at the daily, let's see what happened this week. So the strong sell-off Monday followed this bar, strong bear bar Friday last week. Bears got follow through, and then bull stepped in and moved the market 1,000 points up. Bulls got a bit of follow through the day after, and then for the last 3 days, for the last 3 days, bears have managed to step in again, and we are getting close to the low of this range. So, what will happen next week? Bears, of course, they would like to push this lower all the way down again to 24,000, but we have a strong range here, and it won't be easy to push it much further. We have the Trump bar here. Exactly, it was bought exactly at 24,000. It is an important area. Let's see if we can get back here, down here, next week. It's not unlikely. So that's all for now. So have a great evening. Have a great afternoon and weekend. And thank you for joining. See you next week.